morning to the honorable judges, teachers, and my fellow contestants. I'm Alicia Gwen and Jessica from SK Manoa Limbang. Today, I would like to share with you some important thoughts about internet safety for us, children. The internet can be a wonderful resource for children. They can use internet to communicate with teachers and friends, play interactive games, and literally access the world. However, internet may bring bad effects to the children despite its beneficial use. Ladies and gentlemen, there are a number of ways that we can do in order to ensure the children safer. Definitely, parents play the most important role when we talk about internet safety for children. Parents should communicate with the children by involving themselves in children's activities, who they meet and what they share about themselves online. The parents need to talk with them about their concern and keep close eyes on their activities. Keep the children safe and remind them the pros and cons of the global web. Plus, when allowing children to surf the web, it is best to purchase parental control software. This software can ease the parents' fears of their children's internet encounters by blocking on inappropriate websites. This will allow the children to maintain a sense of independence while being monitored at the same time. There are many precautions we can take as children or teenagers while surfing the internet. Always remember that we should never give any personal information out about ourselves unless approved by our parents. We must be aware that internet friendship, relationship, and conversation can never be true and trusted. If we really need to talk to someone, find a family member or adult we trust. Please be careful that people we online with. Remember, it is better to be safe than sorry. Respected audience, another important tip that I want to share is when we are on the internet, we may accidentally meet bad people, see bad things. That is not our fault. The best way to do is to stop looking at it and tell someone we trust or our parents. Besides, we also should use strong passwords. For example, we are not encouraged to use our birthday as the password as they are easy to be guessed. Change them periodically. It can protect our account from intruders. Certainly, we do not want people to write something awful at our Facebook wall or send unnecessary email using our email account. Finally, internet can be very useful means for us, especially in this globalization era. However, it can bring negative effects if we use it wrongly. The children must be protected from this internet hazard. So, make sure that children aware and apply the internet safety tips when surfing the internet. Let us surf safer. Thank you. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and stay home.